Ręce! Pokaż mi ręce!
Turn around!
Pokaż mi ręce, kurwa!
Turn around!
Ręce do góry!
Spread your legs!
Ręce do góry! Rozszerz
your
nogi!
dick!
Rozszerz
From
nogi!
leg!
Patrzcie do góry!
Look out!
Patrzcie do
Look
góry!
out! Look out!
Nie ruszaj się!
Don't fucking
Nie
move!
ruszaj się!
See how your body will do under these extreme conditions. If you're shaking, learn to control it. So a lot of it's mental. When you start to react to that other person, you're at a disadvantage. So it might take you half a second to realize that that person is already engaging in that activity. Okay? So you gotta be quicker. So if I give you guys guns and you're running in a stack like this with a loaded gun, you trust the person right behind you that he's not gonna shoot you in the back?
Hey! Stop! Open shit!
Gun!
To prepare you guys for a real fight. So everything has to be isolated, all your skills. You gotta perfect everything and then everything comes together.
Hey! It's your hands! It's your hands! Put your hands!
What's going on?